Meaning of deviance.
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 Deviance. Deviance refers to behavior that violates the norms and standards of a particular society or group. It encompasses actions or practices that are considered unacceptable, inappropriate, or outside the boundaries of what is considered normal or acceptable behavior. Deviance can take many forms, ranging from minor infractions such as jaywalking to more serious offenses such as theft, assault, or murder. The consequences of deviant behavior can vary widely depending on the severity of the offense and the social context in which it occurs, but may include social stigma, legal penalties, or social isolation and exclusion.